Good morning. Say good morning. What are you using? Baby care?
Johnson baby lotion.
Johnson baby lotion. Okay, so have you ever wondered how it looks like in our room if we are in one room for like 5 days? It's like a bomb it's got in there, literally.
Because of you, not because of me.
Well, you've got most of the clothes, not me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't give me that look. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys, check this out. So basically, you know what? I'm going to show you something. One thing before. This net, this mosquito net, like, is definitely not helping. I got bitten like 50 times, I think. Literally. Don't laugh. Normally, you are the one who gets bitten, yeah. Right?
There you go.
See, they love my blood, not yours. So, and then we open up the room, and this beautiful, beautiful view. I cannot show you often enough how amazing this looks like. It's a little bit cloudy again today, but actually a little bit of blue sky. So let's see, guys. Oh, the lens is getting a little bit. Now you can see me again. Hello. So yeah, we're gonna take the motorbike and yeah, take a spin around the island. Let's see what we can discover. I'm pretty sure that there's a lot of things out there which we haven't seen yet. So looking forward to that. Stay tuned. Ready to fly across the ocean right down there. So this is an 800-meter zip line, and Annika is pretty much excited.
Excited.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Ready? For sure? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Are you going to fly Superman?
Way back.
On the way back? Are you? So let's see, guys, how this rolls.
Touch the cable, okay?
Never touch the
Yeah,
cable.
just every time hold your touch
Okay.
the cable.
Yeah.
And on the right side.
And up my legs.
Yeah, all the way like that.
Okay.
Ready now?
Go together with her.
Yes.
All right.
If you get stuck,
So
we
let's
have
do this.
somebody to get you.
No worries. Baby, if you're stuck, somebody will get you.
Ready?
Hope so.
They
One.
said.
Are you ready, sir?
We're ready.
1, 2.
Annika's kind of stuck.
Hello.
Annika's stuck.
Hello.
We have to basically walk up here to the next zip line. Oh my god. So definitely do this or don't do this right after breakfast. Right?
Morning with
So zip line, one of the most important things to do for sure in El Nido. It's 1,000 pesos for a combination of sitting and flying like Superman. So now we are going to do the Superman one, lying upside down, or however you want to call it. Are you exhausted?
I'm done.
So let's walk up through the jungle. All right, go. Do this. Woo-hoo! Yeah. We actually took the motorbike and we went all the way to, what's it called? Napcan. What's the beach called? Napcan Beach. Got it. Okay, so you better do that. take your motorcycle. It's a pretty tricky way. Make sure that you got some skills to drive there. And be safe, wear a helmet, which we did. And there are like 4 or 3 guys, whatever. They're doing like fresh cocktails from the beach with coconuts and everything. And the way how they do it is simply amazing. So check this out. See, he's got some skills. He's got some skills. See, he's got some skills.
So first you need to remove the skin and go get the coconut.
So remove the skin first and then find the coconut.
Yeah.
Alright.
If the other shop, the toilet paper is expensive, here is cheaper.
That's a cheaper one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you have a 5 peso, this one is like free.
This one is free, yeah? So there we are, there's the coconut, check it out.
Just some coconut.
There we are, fresh coconut juice.
A lot of juice. A lot of sabaw.
You drink it all day long, huh? Now look at this, what happens here. That is probably the most freshest coconut ever. That's the way how to do a perfect pina colada.
You want to eat first?
Yeah, let's try it. And it tastes amazing, guys.
This is your first time to eat this.
It literally tastes amazing. Really, really good.
Yummy! Sabay din ba? Ano? Hindi kagabit ka sa bagal.
These guys have their own bar. Check this out. It's like pretty easy, but it's amazing. See? So what do you mix the pina colada with?
Here. Mix it with
Bamboo.
Filipino rum.
Filipino rum.
Yeah, Tanduay rum. And it's gonna be in the bamboo glass.
In a bamboo glass.
1 shot.
2 shots.
2 shots!
There we are.
You want it stronger?
Well, whatever you want. Just put a 3rd shot in.
3rd shot.
Yeah,
Alright.
put a 3rd shot in
Like
here.
that.
Let's do it the right way. Let's do it the German way.
3rd shot.
There we are.
Are you English?
No, German.
Hey, German.
I am.
Gute Nacht.
Gute Nacht. Well, yeah, after the 3rd shot, maybe it's Gute Nacht.
The German.
That means
have
good
a
night,
word
by the
in
way.
German. Ich liebe dich.
Ich liebe dich. That's the one. I love you.
And du bist mein Schmetterling.
Du bist mein Schmetterling is like you are my butterfly.
Yeah.
See, look at this now. Here's the fresh coconut. Beautiful. And now he's mixing it with coconut water. And then out of that, you want to drink it, baby?
Let me try.
Beautiful. The coconut. And you. So the drink will look pretty amazing, just a little bit like this. Don't know if you can see it. But that's about it, guys. Pretty amazing. Freshest pina colada on earth, especially with this environment at NAPCAN Beach.